There lived a small monkey in a jungle. His name was Monu. Monu was very mischievous. He would jump from trees, pluck mangoes, and tease everyone. One day, Monu saw that it was going to rain very heavily in the forest. All the animals were building their homes, but Monu kept playing. He thought, "Oh, what will happen to me?" In the evening, a strong storm and rain started. Monu got wet and started feeling very cold. He was trembling under a tree. Then a small squirrel invited him into her home. The squirrel said, "Monu, it is important to prepare on time." Monu realized his mistake. From the next day, he started working hard and doing his work on time. Lesson: it is very important to work and prepare on time.